Hello to all Python enthusiasts. As you know, Python is also used in one of the most profitable fields in the world: financial analysis and cryptocurrency market prediction. You've probably wondered if it's possible to use a Python project to predict the potential profit and loss of an investment in cryptocurrencies. The short answer: yes, of course. Not like magic, but through a combination of data, algorithms, and artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll step-by-step explore what such a project looks like, what we need to know, and how we can use it. Part 1. Overall project status and features. The main idea of the project is to take historical price data of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum and combine it with technical indicators and even news to build a model that can predict the short-term or mid-term future price. This project can have many features. 1. Fetching live real-time data from exchanges using API. 2. Calculating important indicators such as moving average, RSI, or MACD. 3. Displaying interactive charts with libraries like Matplotlib or Plotly. 4. Building a prediction model using algorithms like LSTM recurrent neural network or even simpler regression models. 5. Profit and loss reporting, meaning if you invest a certain amount today, the model shows you an estimated outlook of the future. Part 2. What do we need to know? For running such a project, you need a few key skills. 1. Financial Python. Familiarity with libraries like Pandas for data management, NumPy for calculations, and a finance or similar APIs for fetching market data. 2. Applied statistics and mathematics. Without basic knowledge of probability distributions and time series, prediction is practically impossible. 3. Machine learning. You need to know how to prepare data, build models, train, and test them. Libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch come into play here. 4. Technical and fundamental analysis. No matter how strong your model is, if you don't understand market principles, the output may mislead you. You need to grasp indicators and even the impact of news. 5. Project skills, code management, testing, and using tools like Git and virtual environments poetry or PDM to keep the project clean. Part 3. How it works and general guide. Now let's get to the important question. How does this project work? 1. Data collection. The first step is gathering historical price data. You can use a finance or API from exchanges like Binance. The data includes open, close, high, low prices, and trading volume. 2. Data preprocessing. The data needs to be cleaned. For example, fill missing values, remove outliers, and scale the data properly. 3. Adding indicators. Calculate metrics like moving average or RSI on the data. This gives the model better insight. 4. Building the prediction model. You can start simple, like using linear regression or an ARIMA model for time series. Once you're more advanced, move on to LSTM and deep neural networks. 5. Trial and error. No model is perfect from the start. You need to tune parameters, refine data, and test different models. 6. Displaying results. The final output should be simple and easy to understand. For example, a chart showing whether the model predicts the price to rise or fall in the next week. Also, calculating potential profit and loss for different scenarios, like investing $100 in Bitcoin. Python isn't just an educational or scientific language. It's a tool that can play a vital role in high-profit fields like crypto. A cryptocurrency profit and loss prediction project is one of the best examples. It's both technically challenging and practically valuable. The key point is to understand that these models are not magical. The market is always full of risk and volatility. But having such a tool can make your decisions smarter and more accurate.